Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to test your internet speed on your home computer, and I'm using Windows 10 here, and this is my desktop PC in front of you. I'm also going to be showing you how to test, not only test your internet speed, to how to maximize your bandwidth so your internet speed can potentially be faster, so you're maximizing the bandwidth of your internet. So first and foremost, I'm on this website here, fast.com. This website is, I think it's owned by Google, and it allows you to check or test your internet speed on your device. So if I go onto that website and click on enter, what it will do, it will test my internet speed as we speak. So at the moment my speed is not that quick, it's getting a little bit faster here, 9.4, it's 7.9, so it's averaging there. So let's wait until it finishes checking my internet speed. So that's one website you can use. Another one is Speed Test by Ookla. You can use to test your internet speed. So at the moment it's 6. So what you need to do, so that's the test done. So what you need to do now is to maximize your bandwidth of your internet. At the bottom here in Windows 10, the search bar, type in group policy, and it will come up with an option here allowing you to edit your group policy on your Windows 10 device. So I'm clicking on that, and then it will come up with this pop-up box here. And if I just make this bigger and just move this window across to the right, now this is my local group policy editor that it's opened up. Now on the left side, under the computer configuration section here, I want to choose administrative templates. So click on that. Then on the right side, the window on the right, under the settings option here, scroll down to network, double click on network. Then here you have a whole host of options under the network settings option. You want to go down to the packet scheduler here. Okay, that one there. Click on that. Then it will bring up these options here. And then what you need to do is find where it says limit reservable bandwidth there. So you right click on that, and it will give you some information here, by the way, on the left, of what you are changing. So at the moment, if you enable the setting, you can use this bandwidth limit box to adjust the amount of bandwidth the system can reserve. So what I want to do is right click that option and click on edit, because I want to edit and enable that option. So at the moment it's not configured, I want to enable it, and at the moment the bandwidth limit is defaulted at 80%. I want to change that because I want to maximize the amount of bandwidth I'm getting for the speed of my internet. So click on OK to save my changes, close that. So let's go to fast.com, type in fast.com, and there you have it. So it's hovering at about 89, 90, 87 megabytes per second. So there you go, 90 it is. So remember, then you go to limit reservable bandwidth, and you can see that obviously the internet speed on my specific Windows 10 computer has increased significantly from what it was showing before I made the change to what it is now. I can't guarantee this is going to work on your specific devices, your Windows 10 PCs. It depends what your configuration, what your internet tariff, what your internet package is. And I would also like to make another correction to what I said earlier. Fast.com is not powered by Google, it's powered by Netflix, as you can see from the bottom right hand corner. So I hope this video has helped you. Please click on that like button, please subscribe, and please share.